In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 3 controller to Wii U. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to use your PlayStation 3 controller with a Wii U. Keep in mind that to do this, you will need to have your console modded. I'm not going to go into detailed instructions on how to get this done, but if your Wii U has not been modded, you will not be able to use the tools needed to get this process to work. So make sure that you do that first. I cannot cover it in this video, I apologize. But once your Wii U is modded and ready to download additional tools, then you will have to use BluePair. As the name suggests, and according to the description here, you will be able to connect other controllers to your Wii U, including DualShock 3 controllers. So as you can see, they have it listed under supported controllers, and they even have a specific section dedicated to this. So to start, go to the GitHub page for BluePair, click on the version at the right side of the screen, and download the zip file here. Now, you will have to take the SD card from your Wii U and load it into your PC. So remove the SD card from the Wii U and load it into your PC or laptop, because you will need to extract the files inside. So with this BluePair menu folder, you will drop it inside of the apps folder for your Wii U SD card. And for this 30 BluePair RPX file, you will drop it inside of Setup. If you need a specific path, it is going to depend on which tools you are using to mod your Wii U, but as you can see, it's usually Wii U, Environments, Aroma, Modules, and Setup. If you are using another different tool for your SD card, this folder might be called something else and not Aroma, so just pay attention to that. Once you have everything extracted, you will have access to CooPair or BluePair. Now you can open this tool, and to actually connect your PlayStation 3 controller, go into controller pairing. You will need to connect it using a USB cable at least once, and after this is done one time, you will be able to use Bluetooth connectivity. So you go into controller pairing and you connect the PlayStation 3 controller using a cable once. Paired DualShock 3. You can now remove the cable from the controller and use it wirelessly. So after you use the controller once, it is going to remain connected, and you can simply power it on to use it wirelessly. As I've said before, you will need to extract these files in the appropriate folders and then load up your SD card back into your Wii U, where you will now find the BluePair menu as an application. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 3 controller to Wii U. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.